Hi guys, my name is Pwyll and I love dinosaurs. For my topic for my STEM fair will be all about dinosaur fossils and how they are preserved. 66 million years ago, an asteroid struck our planet that made a lot of catastrophes like wildfires, tsunamis, also earthquakes that killed off all the dinosaurs. But for lucky creatures like mammals or insects, crocodilians, or turtles, they managed to survive the extinction without getting harmed. Also, birds did survive. But the dinosaurs' skeletons got decomposed after they died, but because their meat and flesh were eaten by other dinosaurs which were alive after the extinction, and then their bones are left. After their bones are left, they get buried by sediments like sand, mud, and volcanic ash or lava covered the remains for days and years, until some special minerals seep into the animal's skeleton, which turns it into stone. And that's how a fossil forms, which is called fossilization. Here's the picture. Dinosaurs' fossils could be very fascinating because of their looks, but it also shows how they walked, what they eated, and also what they looked like. Example, the T-Rex. When a T-Rex fossil is found, scientists use 3D scanners to scan the skeleton to show what it had looked like. But did you know that some fossils are 99% of marine life? That's because they live near an ocean where mud or sand can bury the remains quick. But dinosaurs lived on land. So, how did they get turned into fossils so quickly? Well, some dinosaurs are found near a lake or a river. After they died, water floods the skeleton and then mud decides to cover its remains. So, that's all for my STEM fair project. Bye bye!